Kumba arpu arngut ki dikot ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke Jylla ki leishim bentah ke Ïatai haka sngi ke baar jong ke dorbar mang tingka haka arpu iteruk leber ban Ïatai Halor ke Jingkren ulat ke Jylla. Kini ki dikot ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ki leishim bentah ke Ïatai ki kentup UMLA ke jirang uba sustenance sotun UMLA ke umsning uba Celestine Lingdoa UMLA ke Meliam uba Ronnie V Lingdoa UMLA ke Karkuta Rupert Moment UMLA ke Nongpo uba Meryl Bonds Iem UMLA ke Mau Phalang uba Matthew Beyond Star Korba ke MLA ke Sutengah Saipung ke Kong Santa Mary Jylla UMLA ke Amlaram uba Lakmen Rumbui UMLA ke Mukaya uba Nuchorki Sungwa UMLA ke Rongjeng Ujem M Sangma UMLA ke Mau Kurwat uba Renekton Lingdo Tongkhar UMLA ke Sora uba Gavin McGill Milliam UMLA ke Mau Hati uba Charles Marngar UMLA ke Mau Shindrut uba Methodius Dekar UMLA ke Nongkrem uba Arden Melabasayuman UMLA ke Nong Thamai uba Charles Pingrum UMLA ke Shala uba Balajit Kupar Syndrome UMLA ke Ranikor uba Pius Marwen UMLA ke Mendi Pathar Umarthan Sangma UMLA ke Jawai uba Wailat Miki Jylla UMLA ke Songsak Umukul Sangma but UMLA ke Nongston uba Gabriel Walang.
Gone to Assam. We have seen in the media how the people of these villages have protested against the MOU as they don't want to be under Assam. No doubt the boundary dispute has to be resolved, but it has to be done after tedious and proper process by taking everyone on board. It cannot be done in haste. In the name of boundary settlement, we cannot afford to give away our precious land to Assam. So as far as the war launched by the Meghalaya police against drugs, I must commend the police for its effort to eradicate the drugs menace from a state in order to save our youth from these dangerous addictions. However, I would like to suggest that stringent measures should be taken against drugs traffickers and peddlers.
Mr. Speaker, sir, with regard to health and family welfare, I also want to mention a few points in the Governor's address. In the Governor's address, it did not mention anything regarding the welfare of the ushers in our state. I feel that this is an important issue that needs to be taken care of. With regard to arts and culture department is one of the departments that the government has to take many initiatives to preserve, to conserve, to promote our talented youth in the state. It is important to set up one cinema hall to showcase the Khasi, Jantia and Garo films, to uplift the local filmmaking and film tourism.
Sir, I want to start with the CNRD block. I must thank the government, MDA government, that we have created many blocks, new blocks in the entire state of Meghalaya, that we have now up to 55 numbers of blocks in the state of Meghalaya. We have seen there are some constituencies who had the privilege to have 2-3 blocks in each constituency as well. Sir, on this department, I just want to put a request to our government to see in some district, like Southwest Khasi Hills district, where we have two constituencies and we have only 2 blocks. There are some area which is very far, which is far from Maukurat block, as well as very far from Ranikor block, and due to the road connectivity also not good. So people are facing problem to go to either Maukurat or Ranikor block. Sir, we need to create one new CNRD block office in the district of Southwest Khasi Hills by taking some part of Ranikor constituency and some part of Maukurat constituency.
This is my maiden speech before this House of Democracy and one of the newest member of this House. I look forward to working and learning from all the honorable members. Speaker, sir, I rise to support the motion of thanks to the Governor address delivered by the Governor on the 20th March 2023, and to congratulate the government on its various initiatives and programs for the development of our state.